Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix the PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirement error on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, while installing Windows 11 operating system, you are seeing the error. This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirement error on a desktop or laptop. Then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, first what you have to do while installing the window, when you will see you need to enter the product key. There what you have to do, you have to just press shift key plus F10 key. Then the command prompt will be open. When you press shift key and enter key, you will see this type of screen which is called command prompt. Here you need to type regedit, then hit enter. Then you will see this type of screen. In this, what you have to do, you just need to double click on HK local machine, then system, then here you will find setup, double click on that, then right click on this setup, then click on new key, then type here lab config, you can see here lab config. Under the lab config, right click on that, then click on divert 32-bit value, then rename it as bypass secure boot. Then double click on this bypass secure boot, then this set the value as 1, then click OK. Again you have to right click on the right side, under lab config, click on new, then select divert 32-bit value. Again you have to rename it as bypass TPM check. Then double click on that, then set the value as 1, then click OK, then close this window, and you can proceed for your further Windows 11 installation. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirement error on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop.